What is up everyone, it's your boy Just Boggy back with another video, and today we are going to work on the control panel. Now this was filmed a little while ago. When I say a little while ago, it's probably about a month ago now. I've got loads of videos in the works. It's just a matter of time and management, and you know, it's I'm going through a bit of a stressful time. So yeah, bear with me. I've got this is part one. I'm going to knock out part two again in a couple of days for you guys, because I realise that you know, I haven't been putting out that many videos. Been putting out one a week, I think. So I want to finish the project really. So please bear with me, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay peeps, so we've come to the last bit. We're wrapping the control panel. This bit I had the guy make up. I didn't want anything too complex because the amount of holes in the control panel, just anything that he pre-designed just wouldn't work, because you just miss most of the picture because of the holes. So I just had him do like a generic lightning kind of theme, because I thought, well, anything else, I could have had it black, but black's a bit boring. Could have done carbon, but carbon's boring. So I had him match up the lightning, which I think is quite cool. Now remember, the front is going to be black because traditionally all the arcade machines were black at the front. So some of them were coloured, but I think they were very rare. So I don't want artwork on the front, and don't forget we've got the coin door as well, which is going to cut out a majority of a pattern. So like on the Street Fighter one, you've got the Street Fighter 2, whatever's on the cabinet, basically you've got the logos, and again they're right in the middle. I've got a coin door, it was going to cut them out, and I kind of want to keep it different to what other people are doing. So yeah, this is, like I say, this is the last part, and we're just going to do exactly the same as I've done on the sides. To be honest, again, it's weird how my panel is exactly the same as the one-up panel, and there's not a lot of bleed. Like, there's more on this side than there is this side, so it's kind of like the way it's been printed. So I've got to be really careful. I've done my measurements. That's why I've got this on there at the minute, because this is where I want it to go and I don't really want it to move. So I've got my trusty little, I don't know, squeegee with a bit of felt on the end there. Got my scissors, and I don't know if I can peel this back to reveal the control panel, but the control panel is underneath there. That's been cleaned to within an inch of its life. I've done it black, painted it black underneath, because if you get a nick or anything, it just hides it rather than it be the MDF colour or white. So that's my reasoning behind that. So let's get to sticking this thing. And again, I went for the laminated piece. It cost more, but I can definitely see the plus side of it. And just having a sticker. Really doing this back to front. Didn't think of it, but okay, so now here that is not sticky. And what I've learned is there's a very thin layer of film. You don't want to peel off the whole entire thing, because you'll peel off the design. But this, again, something the seller should have said. I've had to email them to find out how there's a very thin film there, so you've got a peel off that reveals the glue. So cut this. You want to cut it, don't rip it. And then with the felt side we can start to lay it down. And there's going to be some weird shapes here because obviously I've got holes in the control panel. We'll cut them out. And there is only a very fine line for error, because I don't know if you can see that, but the camera, there is a millimetre of error. Any more and we'd have white coming off the side there. So yeah, don't know what that's all about. So don't just assume the seller. Could be different sellers. I've had, like I said, I've had trouble with this seller, but always double check your work because you just don't know what the seller's done, how they have worked it out. Okay, so that's that side done. On to the next. It's exactly the same process. Make sure that is really clean, you can eat your dinner off of. Obviously you're not going to want to, but you know the saying. And we'll peel back the film, stick the other side. Ideally you want to be doing this in the most sterile environment possible. And you've got to be careful because I've just seen that that's not sticky because it's left a bit. Here we go. Okay. Same thing again. Just work your way down. So you're pushing any air bubbles the same way as you work. So look here, yeah, there's about half a centimetre that side, but this side is right on the edge here. Now I could have gone that far, but it's like the work's on a wonk. I don't know. I suppose there might be my woodworking might be out, there might be a tolerance in that as well. I'm not saying my woodworking's perfect, but hey. Okay, so with that now stuck, we can cut the sides. you're going to want to use a sharp knife though. But one thing I would like to point out, I don't know if the camera can pick this up. No, it can't. Let's get the camera off. Can you see that? This is what I was saying, with the attention to detail. If I'd have seen this when I was putting this out, I would not have sent this, or I would have tried to have cleaned it. That's not me. And again, like I say, this it still wasn't cheap. So anyway, I'll clean that off in a minute, hopefully. It is coming off, and a part of that is where the hole is for some buttons or maybe the joystick, so hopefully that won't be too bad. So yeah, now we're going to cut. Make sure you've got a sharp knife. Kind of have the knife at an angle as well when you cut it. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll just finish this off with some T-moulding. See how it looks. Again, what I've got to do is just run your blade down the T-moulding slot, because some paint got in between the two slots. The T-moulding going in as nice, so just run the Stanley blade or something down that gap. Okay guys, I'm going to call it there because the video is getting pretty long. There'll be a part 2 and I'll drop that sometime during the week, in a couple of days hopefully. So please bear with me on that one. If you could give me a little cheeky like, I would appreciate that so much. And thank you everyone else who has subscribed or just subscribed. My old subscribers, I love you all. I really do appreciate that, and I really do mean that from my heart. Thank you everyone. I'm enjoying this. It's a hard time, but I know it's a hard time for everyone. Thank you so much, and yeah, smash the subscribe button, hit that little cheeky bell notification, because then you'll be notified about every video I do. And if you're enjoying this, please let me know down in the comments. If you're doing one yourself, again, let me know down in the comments. Like I say, I'm really enjoying this. It's taking my mind off of other things, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.